This is the story of a young boy named Omar who lived in a small village. Omar's parents were farmers and they didn't have many resources, but they loved their son deeply and always wished for a better life for him. Omar's dream was to get an education and become someone important in the world. However, lack of resources and the challenges of living in a rural area made it difficult for him to pursue his dreams. The beginning. When Omar first enrolled in the village school, he didn't have books, notebooks, or any of the resources that his classmates had. Most of his classmates came from wealthy families and would often make fun of him for being poor. But Omar never lost hope. He studied hard, and after school hours, he would return to his small hut and ask the few teachers in his village for extra lessons. Struggles. Omar faced many difficulties. Not only did he lack material resources, but many people in his village also believed that education was not meant for the poor. They would say, "What's the use of education for people like us?" But Omar had a fire inside him, a determination to make his dream a reality, no matter what. The turning point. One day, an unexpected opportunity arose. A charity organization announced a scholarship program in the village for hardworking and deserving students who couldn't afford education. Omar seized the chance. He worked tirelessly, proving his worth, and ultimately, he won the scholarship. The journey to success. With a scholarship, Omar moved to a big city and enrolled in a prestigious college. Here, he learned not only from books, but also from influential professors, successful people, and brilliant students. He didn't just gain academic knowledge, but also built relationships, expanded his network, and learned important life lessons. The success story. Through hard work, honesty, and perseverance, Omar turned his dream into reality. Not only did he change his own life, but he also uplifted his village and became a role model for others. After completing his education, Omar started his own successful business and began helping other underprivileged students to get an education, so they too could have a chance at success. The lesson. Omar's story teaches us that no matter how many obstacles life throws at us, with determination and hard work, nothing is impossible. Poverty or lack of resources should never stop anyone from chasing their dreams, as long as they are willing to put in the effort and stay true to their path. The real key to Omar's success was his refusal to give up, his willingness to keep moving forward toward his dreams, and his ability to see every challenge as an opportunity to learn and grow.